Hi everyone, are you planning to sell your products online or want to build your online Shopify store but you don't know how and where to start? Then you clicked on the right video. I'm Samuel, Program Manager at AppBuck IT Solutions, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build online Shopify store in just few minutes. So let's not waste time and dive right into this. The first step is to sign in to the Shopify. For this, go to your browser and type Shopify. Now click on the first link here. On this page, you can register for the free trial of the Shopify. So enter your email address here. For suppose I'm adding a trial Shopify email. Then click on the start free trial button here. Now set up your password, which you're gonna use later to sign into the Shopify, and click on the create Shopify account button here. In the next step, you need to select where you want to sell your products. Let me explain about the places listed below. The first option you will get an online store. Under this, you can build a fully customizable e-commerce website and you will have full control over your brand's look and feel to make online shopping seamless for your customers. The next option is in-person at retail. Shopify provides solutions to manage in-store sales efficiently by integrating Shopify's POS, that is point of sale, to manage both online and offline sales. Next option is in-person at event. You can even take your products to the markets, fair and pop-up events to sell the products directly at events and at a real time. The next option is an existing website or blog. If you have an existing website, Shopify's Buy Now button lets you add a shoppable link to your existing website. Next option is social media. Shopify also allow you to integrate with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and others, where you can list your products and sell them directly through your social media accounts. The last option is online marketplaces. Shopify also helps you to list your products to the popular marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon and others. As we are creating a website, so let me select an online store here and click on the next button here. In the next step, we need to describe ourselves. Either we are a fresher or we are already selling online. So let me select, I'm just starting. Now, in the next step, it will ask you, what do you sell? So you can choose an option from the list below. The first option is product I buy or makes myself. This option is ideal if you are selling products which you manufacture, create, sell and ship by yourself. The next option is digital products. If you are selling digital items like music, digital arts or PDFs, you can upload the digital files and sell them directly to your customers after purchase. The next option is dropshipping products. With dropshipping, you don't need to store and ship your products by yourself. Instead, you partner with dropshipping suppliers who handle the order fulfillment on your behalf. Shopify integrates with different dropshipping apps like Spocket, AliExpress and others. The next option is services. For services-based businesses, Shopify allows you to sell coaching, consulting and other services by using managed bookings and receive payments easily. The next option is print-on-demand products. If you have designs which you want to sell on your products like mugs, t-shirts and posters, Shopify allows you to integrate with different print-on-demand apps like Printify, Printful, who print your design on products and sell them directly to your customers. The last option is I will decide later. If you are not sure what you plan to sell, you can still explore the Shopify and decide later. For now, let me just choose I will decide later and then click on the Get Started button here. Now, in the next step, it will ask you about the plan you want to purchase, either Basic, Shopify or Advanced. Basic is the most popular plan for solo entrepreneur. It has 2% third-party payment providers, standard analytics and POS line. For small teams, you can choose Shopify plan. It has 1% third-party payment providers, standard analytics, POS line, and 5 additional staff accounts to manage Shopify store. And for the larger businesses, you can select Advanced plan. It has 0.6% third-party payment providers, custom reports and analytics, POS slide, 15 additional staff accounts, and more options for global selling. You can select the plan now or decide later. For now, I'm skip this point and select on the button skip I will decide later here. And that's it, your online store is ready. Now you can hover over the online sale channels here and click on the I button here. Now you can see the basic skeleton of your website is ready, which you can customize later as per your brand. In the next step, I'm going to teach you how you can set up and customize your Shopify's admin panel and customize your Shopify's brands, layout and other settings.
Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such content and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. If you have feedback or any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.